Hey everybody, Austin Richards here. Sorry, just kidding. That's not my name anymore. My name is YouTube Boss, and I have a new profile picture, so I hope you guys like it. And today, I don't even know how to say this name. Whatever it is. You know what? Let's play. Who should it be? You know I'm gonna be. Oh, I'm gonna do this one. It's very slow. You know what? I'm gonna pick this. And no. And steak. Sorry guys, sorry. Sorry guys, I'm seriously. No, don't eat it yet, monkey. Ready to see the look. Oh my gosh, why is it green? And it turns red. You know what? Let's add some water to it. Make it a little fun. Little hot sauce. There we go, sir. Ha 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 ha. She's gonna freak out. Yeah. That's the girl. Let's see the other people. Run along. That's the monster. I think. I don't know. Very scary. Alright, little monster man. Have some noodles. You know what? I know what to do. We're gonna deep fry them. Make them a little tasty. Tasty. Ooh. Okay. You know what to do next? Let's blend these suckers. See what the color is. What? Whatever. I should do. I know I'm gonna catch it from this one. Why is it farting? Whatever. I didn't like it. You know what? I want the same reaction that you had with the girl. Ha ha ha. You drink it. He doesn't like it. Ooh, that's fun. You know what? Now let's do. Ooh, ha ha ha. Every reaction in this game is different. So, I'm sorry, I'm not talking that much, cause you know what? I don't have to. Cause I'm the one who's making the YouTube video. Suck it up, baby. Alright? First do this. That's not normal, but whatever. Let's do this next. Okay. Okie dokie then, guys. Add a little bit of this in there. You know what? I'm gonna add some ranch. Enjoy, sucker. Whoa. Awesome. Okay. Jeez. It's got funny. Really funny. I'm gonna cook everything really good for so let's do this. What should I no. My bad. Sorry. Guys. Sorry guys. You know what? Let's get some fish. Trust me, you'll like, I promise. I forgot to do something. Oh yeah, I forgot to cut it up. Maybe a little lemony. What person doesn't? Alright. Okay, good. You know what's fun about this game is you can make music. It's pretty fun. What is it doing? Ooh, gross, nutty eyeball. She likes it. That's all that counts. Now the monster. Yeah. Yeah. I decided yesterday, I was like, you know what? Just change it up. You know? Because you gotta change sometimes. So, ooh, steak and a baked potato. That's what I had last night for dinner. No. Okay. Let's do this. Goodness, this baked potato looks good. It's pretty good. Let's cook that steak now, huh? Right, guys? Cook it. Ooh. Oh, dude, that looks good. Mom's gonna love this. Yeah, might as well blow it for you too. Wait. Good job. Likes it, okay. Dang it! Means I have to cook something else to make. Or. Oh. Here, eat the rice. Okay. That counts. Whatever. Let's do this guy. Right? It's been a long day, guys. Long day. What does he feel like to eat? Hot dog. Have you ever seen a hot dog before? Guys, I don't think you've seen a hot dog before. What goes good with a hot dog? Broccoli's pretty good with hot dog. Ooh, the raw turned green. That's pretty cool, actually. Now let's cook the hot dog on the stove. Okay, it's ready. Your steamed hot dog. Here you go, buddy. Here you go. You like it, I promise. Shh. Fine, you all ungrateful little thing. Cute. I don't even know anymore. You little meanie. Mean. What? No. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna juice it. I'm gonna do with it. We're juice it. Ooh, tasty. Here we go, buddy. What the heck's wrong with you? Okay. He likes peaches, so okay, that's pretty good. What? Okay, he likes peaches. Whoa! Glitch? Hell's a glitch. There you go. Anyways, guys, it was pretty fun. Thank you, Mr. Martin, for showing me this game. And I'll talk to y'all later. Oh wait, I forgot to do something yesterday. Subscribe, leave a dislike, or like, or comment. I really don't care. And yeah, and you know who it is. YouTube boss. And it's not really true. I'm not the boss of YouTube. It's just my name. So talk to y'all later.